Real Hi-Fi here to give you a quick tip. Having Bluetooth can degrade your sound performance. That's compared to cable. Of course, the technology has changed quite a lot the last years, so the uh, the recent Bluetooth upgrades have definitely improved the sound quite a bit. I have some tips here that will help you with your Bluetooth sound. So here goes. Now, the overall problem with Bluetooth is that when we activate it, it prevents energy from releasing in the music, creating this like digitized, almost laggy effect. So if it is at all possible deactivating it, I would suggest doing that, since that is the very best thing you can do in order to get close to that really authentic sound. So Bluetooth is a lot like Wi-Fi. It functions as a filter on the music. Yes, in regards to Wi-Fi, even though you're not using a Wi-Fi connection to your router that has Wi-Fi activated, if you're using a cable, it can still affect it. Of course, it gets more affected if you use a wireless connection, but it's just to let you know that. Of course, the results vary a lot depending on gear and setup, and as I said before, deactivating it is the best way to get close to the optimal sound. So a lot of people can't do that. Maybe they have a Bluetooth headset that they use when they go to do some workout in the gym. Fine, then you can just follow this tweak here. Upgrade to the highest quality device and the newest software. That's a good tip. Adjust bandwidth settings if it is at all possible. Sometimes this can't be done. But the important trick of all of this is I discovered that when I was in my car using different browsers via my phone over to the navigation that has Bluetooth built in, I discovered that when I listened to Firefox, it had a slightly more studio prioritized sound with a bit more of a boosty bass. Whereas when I went from that browser going instead over to the Chrome browser and I was using YouTube, Chrome and YouTube really click together, so you get this very natural live performing sound which releases more energy. And you really want this releasing of energy when you're dealing with digitized music.